All right, so the bed is now complete. It's now being sprayed with lacquer, so it's all finished up. Our client will be picking it up today. So you can see it's a pretty simple design, and you can see the edge profile. So to recap, it is a 9-inch high, 30 inches wide by 75 inches. That's for the longer section. So that will be a single bed size, and it's a low profile, so 9 inches was what the client requested. Something simple, minimal. There's no headboard for the bed, just a flat surface with the slats for the mattress and the size of that curved shape, for the legs. So simple, minimalistic design, pretty much.